Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to add more account on your Pinterest account in a single application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to add more accounts on your Pinterest account, just going to show in this video. Click on the saved option here, and then you have to click on the profile or click on the three dot option on the top for entering into your profile. Then here you just need to click on the scroll down and you have the option called add account. Click on this. Now here you have it show here it says create a personal account or connecting the existing account. If you have an existing account, you can click on the connect the existing account. If you just need to create a new account, click on the create new personal account. If you just need to create a business account, click on the first tab I just talking about here, create. Click on the create personal account or what a business account. Create a you can just enter your email. Just go continue with Google. Click on the continue with Google option. So after selecting the continue mail, you just need to select your birthday date exactly here. So here for this is for an example. So I'm just going to show some date here and click on the OK option. After clicking on it, click on the next option, and you can just add your new account or existing account on your Pinterest account. This is the way that you can just add a new account on your Pinterest account or add more accounts on the Pinterest account. I think video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super weapon. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.